Okay, so we have finally put on all of these shock absorber units right here, all 7 of them on this assembly, which is the rotor, the main rotor assembly on a CH-53 Marine model that we are building 1/48 scale made by Academy. So now what we have to do is do some touch-up paint. We have several, like right there, where we have scraped off too much paint when we glued it here. So we need to touch these parts up. This touch-up will be pretty simple because this and this are the same color, which is steel color. So we will do those touch-ups of the paint. And then the next step after that, which will occur tomorrow, is we'll start gluing on the next piece. And that next piece is the other half of the swash plate. Okay, and that's this rascal right here. And that will be glued on here. It goes on the shaft here all the way down. And that's why we've got to do that touch-up now, because we can't get to it otherwise. And then between here and here, see there's a hole there, there is a rod assembly that goes to each one of these, which is the blade mount, the rotor blade mount. And this rod assembly, the purpose of this is to swivel the blades to give you the lift in the certain direction that you want to go. And this plate here actually on the aircraft moves, swivels. On this model it's rigid, but it swivels in the aircraft so that as the blades come around to a certain point, they all turn at the same angle for the lift that's required for a left turn, right turn, etc. So first is the touch-up paint, and then we'll start gluing this piece on. And that is it for now. As you know, once we do a like a touch-up, we're not going to touch the model again for 24 hours. So we'll do the touch-up, and then we will leave it alone and come back to it in 24 hours. Alright, thanks a lot. See you guys in 24 hours.